mag-awarding tayo ngayon sa with honors. Ang pag-win sa ating honor list ay si Gerald Silva. Ang pag-14 sa ating list ay si Glyza Yunis. At ang pang-third place sa atin, si Christian J. Kaliwa. Congrats, Rosel Berry. Ang una sa ating list, congratulations, Miss Tyrin May Acosta.
Hindi din lang po.
Mag-picture muna tayo. Delica, anak, mag-picture na daw kami. Sige, pwede na kayo mag-picture. Last dismiss.
Di ba awarding nyo na?
Opo, nga po. Pangalawa lang po.
Lang?
Pangalawa ka lang!
Grounded ka!
Pumunta ka sa kwarto mo!
Sino ba to? Ah, yung ex ni Eunice.
Si Aya puti muna naman.
Tara, kaya tayo. Inom tayo sa taas. Nangyari sa'yo?
Ano nangyari sa'yo?
Ano yung titago sa likuran mo?
Buntis ka! Ang dami ng pangarap sa'yo!
Hindi mo kinabukasan mo!
Sorry mga pa! Patawarin niyo ako!
Teenage pregnancy is more than just a personal choice. It's a complex issue with far-reaching consequences.
It disrupts education, limits opportunities, and can have a significant impact on both mother and the child's future.
We need to break the stigma surrounding sex education and provide young people with the knowledge and tools they need to make informed decisions.
Comprehensive sex education is key to pretending unattended and pregnancies promoting healthy relationships.
It's not about the abstinence. It's about empowering the young people to understand their bodies, their choices, and the importance of contraceptives.
Let's create a society where all young people feel supported and have access to the resources they need to thrive.
Normalize conversations about sex and relationships.
Time to break the silence and address the root causes of teenage pregnancy such as poverty, lack of access to healthcare, and gender inequality.
Every young person deserves a chance to reach their full potential.
By investing in our youth, we invest in our future.
Ulit. It disrupts education, limits opportunities, and can have a significant impact on what...
Ano sabihin ko ulit?
Basta nakikipag-chat ka! Ayos naman kasi.